Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction on the Melrose Hill bypass, and we are on the south coast of Jamaica, driving through the parish of Manchester. Now straight ahead you can see some construction work going on. Now the Melrose Hill bypass, it bypasses Melrose Hill. However, they're building a highway from Maypen to Mandeville, and Melrose Hill bypass is going to be incorporated into the alignment of the highway, which means the 2 lanes that exist now is going to be converted into 4 lanes, and it's going to be a part of the highway. So they have actually closed this road for traffic coming from Mandeville to Porus or Mandeville to Clarendon. You can only access it from Porus to Mandeville. So it's only open to traffic in one direction. And here you can see the actual construction taking place on the bypass to convert it into the 4 lanes. It's not uncommon for bypasses to be incorporated into the highway alignment. The same thing was done in Old Harbour. The Old Harbour bypass was used for that leg of Highway 2000. So this bypass will be used for this section of Highway 2000. So you can see the construction going on the left, they're digging down the hill. I wonder what's going to happen to those stalls on the right, because this is now going to be a part of the highway. Unfortunately, when you change the route of traffic, sometimes the vendors or the stores or shops in the area, they suffer because the traffic is no longer on the road that they built their establishment. That happened in Batespen and happened in Grandspen in St. Thomas, and might happen to that establishment over there as well. Alright, so you can see work is well on the way on this section of the highway. Alright, so this is, we're now going on to the Winston Jones Highway. That's the Williamsfield roundabout, and that's where that section of the highway should end, or will end. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.